In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up and use Coinbase Vault for long-term storage. So I'm going to show you the ways to set up and use Coinbase Vault for long-term storage. So for that case, you have to first of all log in into your Coinbase account. Then when you're logged into your account, make sure that your account is verified. Next page, what you'll have to do is you just need to go ahead and click on My Asset on the left-hand side screen. And when you've done that, click the crypto asset you'd like to store in a vault. And when you've done that, you can go ahead and click the vault tab, then click create vault. As you've done that, you can go ahead and name your vault as well at the same time. And likewise, you need to go ahead and select whether withdrawals will be approved by you alone or in a group of trusted co-signers or all that. So go ahead and select all of that and read the terms and conditions accordingly, and then you have successfully set up and used Coinbase Vault for long term. So that is how you can set up and use Coinbase Vault for long term storage. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.